Saturn, the planet where it rains helium and diamonds. Far beyond Earth, there is a golden giant floating in space that hides one of the strangest rains in the solar system. This is Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, and the second largest in our solar system, famous for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. Saturn is about 1.4 billion kilometers away from the Sun, and it has been observed since ancient times. But its true secrets were discovered only in modern space missions. Because deep inside Saturn, something incredible happens. Like Jupiter, Saturn is made mostly of hydrogen and helium gas, with no solid surface to stand on. As you go deeper into its atmosphere, pressure increases massively, and helium starts to separate from hydrogen. Then something unbelievable begins. Helium forms droplets and falls inward
as helium rain.
But that's not all. Scientists also believe that under extreme pressure, carbon inside Saturn can be compressed into tiny crystals, falling like diamond rain. Neptune, the frozen giant where diamonds fall. You would never believe this. Far beyond the Sun, at the very edge of our solar system, there is a deep blue world that hides one of the most unbelievable secrets in space. This is Neptune, the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun, located about 4.5 billion kilometers away, in near total darkness and extreme cold. It was discovered in 1846, through mathematical predictions before it was even seen by a telescope. But this is where things become unreal. Neptune is a gas and ice giant, with no solid surface to stand on. Its atmosphere is made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and traces of methane that give it its deep blue color. Deep inside this frozen giant, something impossible happens. Pressure becomes so intense that carbon compounds are crushed into solid form. And then it begins. Diamond rain. Scientists believe that deep inside Neptune, carbon atoms are compressed into tiny diamond crystals, which may slowly fall toward the planet's core. 55 Cancri E. The diamond planet beyond imagination. What if I told you, there is a planet where carbon doesn't just exist. It transforms into diamonds. This is 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth located about 41 light-years away from Earth. In the constellation Cancer, it orbits a star called 55 Cancri a sun-like star in our Milky Way galaxy. But this world is nothing like Earth. Its surface temperature can reach over 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock and reshape matter itself. Under this extreme pressure and heat, carbon atoms are compressed into something extraordinary. Diamonds. Scientists believe that deep inside this planet, there could be an entire layer of diamond structure, stretching across its interior. WASP-76b, the planet where it literally rains iron. You would never believe this. There is a planet where the sky does not rain water, but it rains liquid metal. Yes, iron falling from the sky. This is WASP-76b, a massive alien world, located about 640 light-years away from Earth. In the constellation Pisces, it was discovered in 2013 and confirmed in 2020 by the Very Large Telescope in Chile. But this is where things turn terrifying. WASP-76b is so close to its star that one side is always burning under eternal daylight. Temperatures rise above 2,400 degrees Celsius. At this level of heat, iron does not melt. It evaporates. It turns into metal vapor, floating in the sky. But then comes the dark side, where temperatures drop, and something impossible happens. That vaporized iron starts to fall as liquid iron rain.